Hey guys, so it's gonna be chicken again today. We are having chicken drumsticks. Says no added hormones or steroids, no preservatives. So I don't know how many uh chicken drumsticks there is here. So we're doing our barbecue today because it's hot, so we don't want to run the use a stove or the oven basically. So here, why not? It's gas free and we don't use no electricity for it, or so it makes it more easier for us. Plus, saves on money. So, yep. All right, so let's see what we got going on here. So we got a nice flame going on the right one here. The left one, not so much. So this one's gonna have to go a little longer than the right one, but the right one should be done real quick. But as it's like before, this one had to sit a little longer until that one is fully inflamed or engulfed in flames, like as the right one. Then we'll dump them both at the same time. Okay, so we got some good flaming going on here. So we got flames on both sides, you can see. So we are gonna dump these right now. And this is like really hot to standing this far. So yeah, we're gonna dump these right now. So, so importantly, we gotta make sure we put a glove on, protect our hands. It's gonna be hot in here. We're just gonna put this down here. This is the other one. Okay. So before we um, close this up, we want to put the grates on. We don't need to spread it. We just spread it with that the charcoal starter, the chimney. So we don't need anything else. But we're going to just close this up, and we're going to let it heat up. So we want at least a good 400 if we're going to be cooking drumsticks. We want to make sure that the grates are hot enough that it's not going to stick, but also make sure they get a thoroughly cooked inside. We know we don't want raw chicken, as raw chicken can cause salmonella, which you don't want that. All right, so we got the chicken, the packet of chicken open. So we're going to start putting them on the grill. Um, it's about 400, almost 450, so it should be hot enough to put them down. Yeah, you can definitely feel the heat right from above. Never mind. We're just using our fingers. Okay, so let's talk about the seasonings that we're using. So we're using something called Bang Bang. You see it's called it's sweet and spicy. So if you guys know what like the Doritos, the sweet and spicy chili, that's what that is basically. Using Cajun again because it's good seasoning, and Slap Your Mama, which creates a good spice to your food. Anything like meats and steaks. Again, that's a Cajun seasoning as you can see right there. And you got your garlic powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and we're going to top it off with hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce at the end. So I'm going to get these added to the chicken, and I'll show you what it looks like here after once I get the seasoning added. Alright, chicken's all seasoned as you can see. So we want to make sure that we actually season both sides. Because lately I have been forgetting. And when you're using raw chicken, when you're using utensils, be sure to wash it down beforehand before you um, start working with the cooked chicken, because you don't want that salmonella. That's no good. Alright, so we're gonna season this side, and then we're gonna let it cook the rest of the way. So we're at it's under 400. So we're gonna go ahead and flip these real quick. I did clean these. Okay, so we had a little bit of sticking there. Chicken looks like it turned out pretty good. Now, I know it's still raw inside, so we're gonna cook it a little longer, and then we'll put the barbecue sauce on. So we're gonna start putting barbecue sauce on a few of these. The ones in the center, I think these are done. I'll put a nice generous amount on. Yeah. Got a couple little ones here. I don't know about them. I'll put them over first. Yeah, these need more heat somehow. So we'll let those cook down. And we're going to move those off the grill so we can get them in the center. So I think we're going to go ahead and put these one more time. These to four here. We're going to get the barbecue sauce on them. Well, maybe the three, because this one still looks a little bit not cooked all the way. I think this one we're going to put barbecue sauce on as well. I'm going to put barbecue sauce on all of them. This should cook pretty good, even with the barbecue sauce on. That should pretty much do it right there. So that is the hickory and brown sugar uh, barbecue chicken on the grill. And here's what our chicken looks like. I really think that turned out really good. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for the video. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button. I appreciate it, and thank you all for watching. Bye guys.